Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 3 eggs and 150 grams of strawberries. I've used frozen but you can substitute out for fresh. Firstly, in a bowl to your caster sugar, add your butter or margarine and cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and give a good mix. And then add your flour and mix until you have a nice batter. Then you want to add your strawberries. So because I have used frozen strawberries, as they have defrosted, some of the juice has released, so just add the juice in first, and then you simply want to chop up your strawberries into smaller chunks and add this to your batter. And then just give it a really good mix until well combined. Then to a pre-prepared cupcake tray with cupcake cases, simply spoon your mixture into each cupcake case. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for your strawberry compote filling, you will need 100 grams of strawberries. Again, I have used frozen, but you can use fresh if you want. 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, and 2 tablespoons of water. To a saucepan over a low heat, add your strawberries, and again, if using frozen, add the juice. Then add your sugar and your lemon juice, and then separately mix together your cornflour and your water until well combined, and then add this to your saucepan. Then you want to cook your strawberries over a low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, just to allow as much juice as possible to release and your sauce to thicken up. Then pop this to one side to allow to cool. Then for your buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of butter at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and about 2 tablespoons of milk. To your icing sugar add your butter, and using a fork you want to mash the two together as much as you possibly can do, just to try and combine them. So if you do have a stand mixer you can use that rather this way. I wouldn't recommend using a hand mixer just because icing sugar will go everywhere, but if you don't have a stand mixer this is a way of making buttercream without one. So if you just mash the butter in as much as you possibly can do, it is definitely easy to do this with it at room temperature. I just happened to do this on one of the hottest days of the year, so it did mash in very, very well. Then add your vanilla essence and mix it and start to bring it together as a creamy buttercream. And then you want to add your milk a little bit at a time until you get the consistency of buttercream that you want. It is easier to add milk than take away, so just a little bit at a time until you're happy. And then for assembling our cupcakes, you just want to cut out the middle of each cupcake, leaving the middle to one side. And then just put a spoonful of your compote in the middle. And then having cut off the excess of the cake from the top, you then want to replace the top of the cake on top so then it creates a nice strawberry centre. And then I have popped my buttercream in a piping bag and just piped a swirl on top. If you want to just spread your buttercream on top, you can do whichever way you want. And then to finish decorating, I have just used some small strawberries just for the top. However, this is completely optional. And there you have it. That is how you make strawberry cupcakes.